Imagine having access to 16,000 woodworking plans. Sounds like a dream for any survivalist, right? But is Ted's Woodworking the real deal or just another online gimmick? Let's find out. Ted's Woodworking claims to offer a massive collection of 16,000 woodworking plans, covering everything from simple birdhouses to complex furniture. Marketed towards both beginners and seasoned woodworkers, it's been a popular product in the DIY community. On the surface, the sheer volume of plans is impressive. For survivalists, having a variety of DIY projects can be invaluable. However, many users report that the plans are disorganized, with some being outdated or lacking detailed instructions. Additionally, there are concerns about the originality of the content, with allegations of plans being sourced from free online materials without proper attribution. Several reviews highlight frustrations with the quality and organization of the plans. Some users feel that the product doesn't deliver on its promises, citing issues like repetitive content and lack of clarity. For those looking to build essential survival tools or structures, this could pose significant challenges. While Ted's Woodworking offers a vast array of plans, the quality and usability may not meet the expectations of serious survivalists. It's crucial to assess whether the content aligns with your specific needs and skill level before investing. Have you tried Ted's Woodworking? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and survival tips.